Okay, or GoDaddy is good, very simple interface. What site you want to, okay, you don't want in all that, right? What website? Let us say I want RIT learning. I want to create one website with this name, so I'm searching for this domain. A website means it should be available, or whatever you want you will should be available. Otherwise everybody wants google.com. So domain should be available, all of you, got it? See, I am learning, I want this, oh, it's available. Okay, just for $5.99. .com is at least good, you know. .com will cost you $5.99. .in will cost how much, you see? Only 99. Got it? Per month this is? Per year. Per year only 99. Understood, all of you? But remember, only domain name. You are owner of that name only, that's all. No files and all that. You are owner of that name. Nobody can have that name site. Are you understanding? This should be your interest area, because tomorrow, anytime you might do freelancing. Even you get job also, somebody will ask you, can you develop a small site for me? Okay? Then don't tell another 3 employees also you have to hire from my company. One deploying person, one purchasing person, one marketing person. That minimal skill you should have, not that deep dive marketing like that. So whichever you are interested, you can select that, okay? And one domain is selected, it will be there. So what is the first thing you have to do, please, all of you, which I want to tell you? Purchase domain. How to purchase, you understood or not? After that, make payment. In 5 minutes you will get an email. Make payment, you will get an email. Okay, your site is now ready. Your login credentials are this.
For free also you can try.
Free sites you won't get, no? Domains you won't get free.
No,
Some
1 month trial.
No.
We will get only
And my
.com
school
some name or something.
Some other names you will get. hello.ww, something like hello.sports.com. In their domain they will give something. Domain, because they have to pay to these guys actually. .com means a community. VeriSign is the owner for .com. Like that, every extension is owned by one community, and they pay to W3 Little and they earn. You know, side business is also very big. Can you see this? See this one? educationlearningcenter.com is 23,489. What is the difference? Where is 99 rupees and where is 23,000? Why that gap?
Name. Premium.
What do you mean by premium? Anybody? It's all you should know. General, this is not. Premium means what, you know? I purchased it for 99 and I kept it for selling. Come on, understood or not now? This is a hot name, man. So what I'll do? Movies also they do that, no? You don't know? Some good name, title you got in your mind. They'll go and book that. Now nobody can create that name again. Are you understanding? So I will, I'm not getting correct sentence for this. I will, you know, I bought this, I will keep this, I keep selling this, and over years the cost will become like this. Got it? You know ebay.in, amazon.com. If you think they sell only products, you are wrong. They sell websites also. You go to ebay.in, bidding will be there. Suppose you want educationlearningcenter.com. First time 599, your bid they will ask you. So you will say 699. Other person will come 999. After 1 year, they will, whoever is there, there will be bid time. Okay, the bid ends at 1st Jan 2017, he says. 1st Jan 2017, whatever is the cost, he is the owner. You got my point or not? So, that day, if the cost is 90,000, the owner is now rich because he got good money on that. So domain buying also, lot of companies what they do, all hot domains they buy and they keep it for sale. That is 23,000 you got, you know. Give me a good name. Okay, let's say shopping.com. This is very hot, right? If I search for shopping.com, first of all, is already taken, no doubt, I know that. Got it? Shopping.com will not be available. You understood or not now? Now see, they give you, see this one now, this is what I was telling you. Shoppingda.com, 1 lakh change, this is only name. 1 lakh change. Are you understanding? Like that. See, anybody like, let's say Amazon.com was there. Imagine, okay, this happened actually, see. Amazon.com is there. Amazon.in, I bought it. Suppose I bought it. Now Amazon wants to launch a portal in India. Will they hesitate to buy for 1 lakh?
No.
That is their 1 minute income. Got it all of you or not? No. They say 1 lakh, okay fine, give it. That name I want first of all. Because Amazon.in means it's valuable for them or not? No. That's why what people will do, suppose Amazon is there. They don't buy .com, Amazon.com, Amazon.in, Amazon.co.in, Amazon, everything they'll buy and reserve it. Otherwise people will buy and charge them only, got it? They buy everything like this, all domains they will buy. They don't know in future what they will. So big corporates, they do like that. So that's purchase domain. What did you buy now? Only the domain, okay? You need space for your website or not? Yes, that is hosting. All of them say that hosting means uploading your data is hosting. No, hosting means when you buy a space and map that to your domain, that is called as hosting. In the space where you bought, you have to put your files. Are you with me? So hosting, all of you. Hosting means buy a space, okay, and map it to domain. If you buy from same vendor, he will immediately do it. But if you buy from others, you can buy space from others, domain from others, no problem. Sometimes you might want to go for space somewhere and others some like that, you can go. So for that, again let us do some shopping again. Here is this, here is hosting. Click on hosting. Now these all are already, they have 50% down business now. GoDaddy, all of them are almost closed because of cloud. Cloud has come, these all people business have come down. Now they also offer cloud services. See, yeah, exactly what I was telling. Cloud servers, cloud apps. Otherwise they don't have business now, today. Okay, now here is hosting. What is the hosting you are looking for? Web hosting. Click on that. Okay, yeah, again are you seeing another GoDaddy theme? No, it's a GoDaddy theme only, no? See on top there is a menu. Below that there was a Jumbotron color, no? Instead of that picture. They created a div, somebody's picture here and then that hosting that goes. Go, and here are the plans. Linux you want or Windows you want? Windows we want. IIS will not run Linux, all of you be careful. Okay? ASP.NET 5 onwards, anything is okay. But before that, compulsory you have to buy Windows. And by mistake you buy Linux and tell no, I want Windows, they will say I'm sorry. Got it? For 1 year if you have paid it, that's it. Now you come back, here is the starter. Look at the costs. If you have any idea in your mind, come on. What's the cost here? 99 per month is the starting cost, all of you, okay? So you can imagine 99 means 100 per month. That means per year 1200. Plus if you take .in domain, 100. 1300 you can develop a website. The starting cost, website development and deploy is 1300 if you have in your pocket, your site is on. So just create a very good site and very good, I told you business, you remember all of you? Hits, 1000 hits and lot of users come and register your site. You can start your own company, no need of doing any job anywhere. And that's the only challenge, that's it I'm telling you. All popular websites today are started like that, okay? You cannot launch like Amazon with products like that. You need to just have an idea. The brain has money today, that's it. Idea is all money. Think what every common man requires, do it as a site, it's over. Are you understanding? Nowadays, who are approaching us for websites, will you believe? Local Amirpet Tulet board people are asking us to develop a website. Actually, when you want to search, recently we have developed, I told no, those are doing project with me, I told Zimber.com we developed. That guy is a local, in our institute is there, no, in that opposite building only he will be there. He developed, he said, I want a website where I want to provide services. In your home you want electrician, you want plumber, you want, nowadays a lot of ads are coming for that. He started early only actually. So in that site all people register and he will only charge some commission in both places, that's it. And everybody will use it in future. Just tell me yes or no. How difficult today you want to get electrician, it's very difficult, you know. And that site says within half an hour we'll send. I don't know, you know that that elder or not, I don't know. Doing works or not, I don't know. But if you do it, it's very difficult actually. But if you go to that website and tell, I need electrician to do this, the electrician will be at your room. Imagine if it is, he is really coming within 15 minutes, in 1 year that site will become a great hit site. Got it or not? He wants only hits, he wants only logins, with that he will earn 50%. Another 50% he will earn with that commissions. And if the site is not running, he will say free, what is there? Anyhow you are coming or not now, like that. OLX, Quicker, they don't charge anything. Are you understanding? Quicker, OLX, they don't charge anything. What business they are doing? Only hits only, got it? They will tell, you know, in Hyderabad we have got 1 lakh user accounts. Then one small pen advertisement if I give, it will go to 1 lakh people. In 1 lakh at least 10 people might buy this or not. Worst case, enough, my business is running. That, like that if I will sell 1 lakh products. So that's all calculation. And you know Uber, right? What is Uber? Uber, they manufacture cabs. Then Uber, I don't know who is that guy actually, I want to meet him. You know, his brain is really super computer, I think. See, just on app he makes money, you know. Just on app he makes money. How much money they make on app? They know next year what to do also, you know. That is a great thing I like in Uber. Once Uber became okay, all in Hyderabad, you see, everybody now, at least 90% know Uber, okay, cab and all that. Now, when it became routine and other competitors also started, now Uber started Uber Pool. He's ready, their next plan is ready, you know. Uber Pool is what? You can share and they say now, earlier you spend 100, now spend 50 rupees. How many people go to high-tech city at 9 o'clock, you see? 1 lakh plus at least in that hour, I'll see. Now 1 lakh plus 1 lakh rupees, 50,000. And Uber, you know, you need to just select and say, yes, I am interested in pool, go and sit in the AC cab, go to the office. That's it. Nothing. What you have to do with anybody for half an hour, 45 minutes, just to travel with him. That's it. Uber Pool is, next year plan also I am telling you, see, next year plan is what? A real owner can also pool his car. That is the next Uber plan. Means if you have a car, no, you can tell that I am a owner, I am not a cab driver, but I am ready to pull somebody for 10 days, 20 days, 1 month. So if anybody, if I am interested, I would see who is nearby to my home and I will go every day with his car. I don't know, you got it or not now. That is the next thing, what they are. So that's all mind game, you know, and all that they make it damn easy to access. I think all of you are using Uber app or not? How nice you see that cars, where it is, 1 minute, nice they show you. Any kid can just say it and its car is ready. And more better, you know, car, cab, number, it's all app strength, idea. It's all application strength, it's all programming strength. That's what I like, you know. Only with programming, only with website they are able to make money. So that's really great. Any innovative idea is really valuable. So anyhow, when you are buying a plan, what's very important is you need to look at, you know, the storage, the bandwidth, the email addresses, the databases. You need to look at that also, okay. You get this in that package. Got it, all of you? So like this, you can, now if you go to oneandone.com, he gives hostings free for 1 year. Only you need to buy a domain. He gives 1 year free hosting. You buy a domain for 500 rupees. Yeah, see here, this is what he is giving. First year free. Okay. Anyhow, so once you buy a space, what you will get is, for that domain, what you will get. See, all my discussion, please remember, not only these points I am telling you. You want to be an individual contributor, entrepreneur tomorrow. Remember all that. Be in that world, I am telling you. Buy a space and map it to domain. You will get CP details, control panel, FTP details, and lot more. Database if you want also in that. Then just log in there and play with whatever you want. Now once you get that, now go to visualstudio.net, publish, and select profile, and this time FTP. And whatever username, password they will give, no, that you have to enter here. So you can see now, I'll just show the screen and then do something live also for you in Azure. I'll show you. You see here. Come back here. Come on. Now you can do it. Notes. Tell me, what should I do? Right click. Publish. Come on, go little energetic. Profile. Yeah. Profile FTP. Okay. Yes. Then they will give you the name. These details they will give you. Enter them and say publish. It is done. Got it, all of you? Can you do that or scared? You can do that. Nothing will happen if you do anything wrong also. Don't worry. Got it? No charges if you do mistake. So just you can try again. Now what I want to do, maybe you don't know cloud, but I want to do something on cloud. Publish to cloud also. Nowadays there is no FTP. These all are gone. All cloud deployments only. Because every customer is moving to cloud. We are seeing rapid migration to cloud in the business today. That means whenever we see in the business, next year you will see in the community. So today, especially in 2015 and 16, lot of migration happened to cloud today. Amazon and Microsoft is earning like anything in these areas. These two are the top vendors today. Microsoft money is today Azure actually. They are earning in that zone only. In .NET and all is only investment only. No earning till now 1 rupee also. Only on Office and Azure they earn money. Let's all, then I know 100% I can tell. So Azure, they got very good business because of that cloud environment being richest. Amazon is also awesome. They are also very good in cloud. Amazon advantage is what, they were first customers for their cloud. Imagine a customer only starts business, how fast he will be, how knowledgeable he will be. You understood or not? Because they only wanted cloud for their e-commerce. So Microsoft is also like that. They wanted for their own. So they are very much big market leaders. Tough competition goes between Amazon and Azure today. Okay. So anyhow, let's not go with that. I'm just going to Azure Portal. Maybe you cannot do this, but you can see this, all of you. Just go to Azure Portal, and I recommend you slowly to know about Azure whenever you get time. Azure.microsoft.com is the portal. URL. See here. Azure.microsoft.com. Good place. After this course, keep doing other courses or keep doing job, but just go through little bit, not course of Azure, I'm telling you. You go through one white paper on Azure. This is slow, very nice. Once you are becoming more confident, you know MVC, you know Angular very good, then go to Azure also to learn. But again, I told you, last class what I told you? Sure. Not keep, that's good. Not that way. You keep promoting to job, get into and then promote this all, please. Okay? Again, internet is slow. slow internet. Okay, this is my azure.microsoft.com. Please go through this. Very, very interesting these all are, which really tells you how, I think instead of my demo, I will also do, I think this will be very good if it runs. It's still loading actually. Know this guy, anybody? He has habit of reading? Scott Hanselman. This guy is changed Microsoft to open source. He's a very rich programmer. Microsoft wanted him to join Microsoft. We all know because today MVP's head is this guy. So we all almost directly or indirectly I work under him. This guy, when he was offered a job in Microsoft, he has put one condition to Microsoft. In future, if you make all your apps to open source, then I will proceed to the Microsoft. Otherwise, I cannot join. Understood that point? He's purely more on open source guy. Scott Hanselman is really one of the best thing. Two Scotts are there in Microsoft who are really worth watching. One is Scott Hanselman, other one is Scott Guthrie. These two, if you follow, you are a different person, I'm telling you. Follow these guys. After course, what you need to follow is not faculties, all of you, including me. After course, you have to follow these people, all of you. Am I clear? I don't want to tell anything wrong like that. Follow these guys. They will direct you to very, very good knowledge, I'm telling you. Original, what should I say? A good knowledge that you will get. Unfiltered, pure. I don't know, Scott Hanselman and Scott Guthrie. Both these people are very, very big names. Scott Guthrie was first main person. He is pushed to cloud. In place of him, this guy has come. So just go through these guys, and in C# class I told about one more person. I don't know, anybody remembered? No? Anybody is there? C# class, what I told one name. Anders. You know C# inventor? Anders Heilsberg. Difficultly you are telling, you know. Okay. Right. Anyhow, I think this is not running. It's very slow. Actually, this video is running on very slow internet also, but I don't know how much slow this is internet here. Okay, so that's a simple Azure. You know, anyhow, I told no, you're not doing much, but for you to know little bit, this is a good video, 5 minutes. Okay, you can play offline also, right? So what I want to do now, that rotate I don't like. See here. Come here. This is the portal. After you create your free account, Azure gives you free account, all of you. You can create free account. 10 websites free they give you. Okay, and terabytes of data they give free. Database they give free. Everything free only. Okay, you can see here what is free. These all are free. Only you need to know how to use them. So that's difficult. You cannot use all of them without learning. But see, this is one area I want to show you. Can you see? Come on, all of you. What is this? Web apps. This is your area. Now you know. Now you say here what? Create a web app. At least GoDaddy means if you pay money, their operator will sit and do this. No, this is you direct. Now cloud gives that comfort to you. I can sit and create my own site now. Are you understanding? Difference you got or not? Tell me a good site. India.azurewebsites.net is not there. That exclamatory mark says it's not there. Already it's there. Let's say India DS. Oh great, it is there. So India DURGASOFT, whatever it is. Okay, it is there. .azurewebsites.net. Is that clear, all of you? And now I'll say in which server. Azure is located in many places, all of you. You know, throughout the world you see Azure data centers, and Microsoft is the first one in India to open data center in Pune. 3 data centers Microsoft has opened. Okay, and now Amazon is opening in, Amazon is also opening in, I don't know, in Telangana, government also is supporting, and others also. So they are also opening Azure data center or cloud data centers in India. Otherwise, data centers in India was a dream actually. From past 3 years it's happening. our infrastructure, but now we are good. Yeah, see, these are all tick marks is nothing but data centers. That's not a picture, that's a live data center running, all of you. So in each place you see data centers like that. Are you clear what I am talking? Data center means, what are you thinking? Data center means not one PC, all of you, okay? Data center means kilometers. Understood or not? Probably in US you will see data center of 3-4 kilometers only. Got it? That's what data center is. So huge racks of PCs with good infrastructure and all that data center is. Okay, so now I am creating a site here. India DS is there. It asks you in which site you want to create it. In which location. See, these are the locations. Okay, you can see Japan, East Asia, West Europe, South Central. Okay, very soon we will see India also in this. Central US, Brazil, Canada, all these are the servers. Now which one we have to select? Oh, India is not there now. Okay, Southeast Asia is okay or doubt only? Which one you will select actually? Nearer one. To whom? To us or to customer? Suppose you are developing US based website, then you will select Southeast Asia? Okay. Because you are in Hyderabad, no? That's why. You understood my point or not now? You must select for who are your customers, that near location you have to do, no? Because you are developing in India, how can you select that? Got it? Nearest data center will be faster actually. So be smart in selecting that and just say create web app. Done. Just count somebody time. Anybody seeing? Creating, okay, 5 seconds back or 2 seconds back. 30 onwards we can count. It's creating. Onwards, let us count. 30 seconds. Done. How many seconds? That's it. Site is ready. You want to browse it? It's it. Just go back 15 seconds. Okay? From here in the classroom. Just imagine a more bigger network. You want to browse that? It's ready. See. You all can browse in your phones also this website now. indiads.azurewebsites.net. You can browse after we deploy. Just wait for a few more. Now, what happens? See, our internet is slow, but site is already created. You noticed or not now? That site got created quickly, but our browsing is becoming slow. You understood that or not? It's ready. It's public now. See, India DS is a good name that you all can remember. There's no chance that you forget. indiads.azurewebsites.net. Now you buy that 99 rupees site from GoDaddy and tell that to come here, it's over. Total cost is how much? 99 rupees. Yes, no? Shall I show you one website? We are recently developing one website. If you don't want to use it, don't misuse it, means I'll tell you. See here, ritglobal.com. This is what we are doing. This we bought from oneandone.com. Okay, now for our online training, we are just building this now, all of you. See, once you press enter, all of you see there. This is in that website where we bought that there, I think, okay, it is stopped because I stopped it, I think, yeah. I stopped in Azure actually. I can log in and start it also. What's the date today? 10th, no? Actually they are in production, so that credit account got, okay. But otherwise, okay, I think you can see here. What I typed. ritglobal.com I typed, but where it went? Azure. This name also you can hide. We didn't map. When it comes to production, we'll hide this. Understood my point or not? No. This is called name server mapping. If you map it, it will not come. It will always show ritglobal.com only. So that's very good. You know, Azure free account you can use like that, I am telling you. Free account of Azure. All right. Now, what is that? My site got created. Okay. And where am I? Here. Yes, this is my site. Now, please see all of you. Click on this. Click on that. And see here. What is that? That's it. Okay. Now, click on this. username, password, that's it. You give your username, and actually this all GoDaddy will do, and they'll send email to you. Are you getting my point? Now you will only do this, you will go to Visual Studio and enter that host name, username and password, it is done. Are you clear? Right. Now, Azure has more easier way of publishing. This is really very, very interesting. See now, download the publish profile. This is very, they make it easy. Click on this, not this. Click on this. Watch it. I'm in Firefox. Save file. Where it will save? Okay. Just say OK. I don't know in Firefox where it will save. Downloads only? Okay. So I can keep that folder for me now. India.ds.azure. It is there in downloads only, no problem. What now you all can do, what you can do only I am teaching, only you need an account, that's all. Remaining all you need to learn, but web apps, at least that deployment you can do. How much time? 15 seconds I created a site, another 1 second I downloaded. Download means not big, only just downloaded. Noticed all of you? Go to Visual Studio. Come on, you told FTP, like that, tell me. Right click, publish. Now no need of profile. Just here, see there is an option. What's that? Import. I think you understood the story or not now? Now browse india.ds.azurewebsites.net. Ready or no? Yes. Open it. Okay. Done. It writes everything for you and it says next, publish. What's happening you must tell me now. Don't sit idle. Come on. Yes. You can see here, okay, it's asking me to save the, okay, because of that continuous integration, continuous development, it asks us to save the solution. No problem, I have saved it. I again publish it, India DS only, and publish it. Okay. Right? It's telling me that your project is not like an app. Do it like app, we'll publish, because next time onwards I can be smart. That's what it is telling.